Hello, welcome back. We're glad to see you guys again. I am Zryken. Welcome to another review of Gotchard. We're doing the Valvaradraw Buckle. So this is the same thing like the Gotchard draw holder, however you say that. So here's the front. We're going to do the same thing with the boxes. So here's the front, two cards it comes with, the side, the back, the other side, the actual stuff you need, what that comes with. Here's the top, Valvaradraw Buckle, card equals card, and then two cards it comes with. And warning. Oops, I didn't get the camera. Alright. And as you can see from the corner right here, this is the buckle. This is actually very Sentai-esque. So yeah, not much to say about the buckle, the belt. But here's the buckle. This is a pretty hefty piece of plastic, I would say. It also has this clip, so when you just have it like that, you just put it on like that, and it's fine for the most part. But I don't really see anyone just like, well, not do that. Don't be me. But yeah, don't be me and do that. But here's the wrench, the nuts and bolts, and like all the designs. This looks like a card sleeve you could use like for like Vanguard or Yu-Gi-Oh! Now I think about it, people should make that. But it goes on like this angle, so there's that. You press this button, and yeah, this holds way more than the Gotchard holder though, and this is so much fun. So just opening it and closing it. Anyways, there's that, and it comes with the two cards, Gorilla Sensei and Gekyo Copter. This one is important to Valvarad. I could show you that. Oops. There's that. Put this in. Yeah. And then that is it. Yeah. But since we do have the these two cards, I can show you. There's 18 cards right now. So a fat stack like this. This is all the DX cards we've reviewed thus far. We can open this up and just throw it in here. So gonna line it up, put it in here. There's enough space for a little more, and then take it out and cover it, and then pretty solid. Then you can just do this, do a Ryuki. I think, not really, but it's almost like Ryuki, but except you don't know which card you're getting at this point. But since we do have another match, I can try to find what I was going for. I just passed them. And bring back the Gotchard Driver. Yeah. So, as you can see on the back, it makes a gorilla. Obviously. But here we go. Oops, let me adjust that. Put it. this is also one of my other favorite forms. But apparently I really like forms that involve either gorillas or lions. And I don't know why. Alright. And that is it. Would I say this is worth getting? It really depends. I would say, like, for just the bare necessity of completing a Valvarad set, this is basically what you need, plus the Valva Rusher, and that's it. Unless you're like okay with just getting the Valva Rusher or just skipping out on this, you're not missing out on much. It's literally a card holder. It's a good way. It's a good storage thing. So, yeah. Alright. Without further ado, that is all I have for this review. Because it's a very simple one. So, I will bid you guys adieu. And see you guys in the next video. Alright. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for sticking around. Later. I keep saying that.